The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Brent, good morning. Richard. Guys, very good morning. Hey, Randy, Sue. We come in this morning. We've got, hey, Mark, good morning. Kim. Guys, Darcy, good morning. Good morning. It is Tuesday, December 17th, fellas. Buyers again in crude at 60.39 is the breakout area. Maybe the high of the day. Let me take a look. Yeah. Got buyers right now in gold, small buyers in the YM, small buyers in the NASDAQ, buyers in silver. Sellers in the ES. Onyx, good morning. Chris, Dion, guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Fellas, it's Tuesday. When will my services with Thinkorswim be combined? Chris, I have no intention of building the bot for Thinkorswim. I've never said that, if that's what you're asking. TradeStation, but you can, if you have a Thinkorswim account, you can connect that to Ninja. Yeah, no worries. Okay, got it. I know Thinkorswim, though, can connect to Ninja somehow because Perry has done it. And if you guys saw his chart, he's trading, I think it was Amazon with the bot. He posted a picture in member Skype. All right, fellas. Coming down a bit on small sellers. Apple. He was trading Apple. Okay. Guys, I'll read the disclaimer. Yeah, you need a multi-broker license. Which I have, multi-broker. Going to get a short on the NASDAQ. I'm not sure.
Order.
It will probably bounce down here, 8,600. The whole number should hold. I would be very surprised if we don't bounce off this whole number. One standard deviation. Very surprised. Any event, guys. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, and we will go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses. Well, hang on, guys. 1 second. Profits or losses. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Let's see what we get. Morning, Bill, Raman, Peter. Guys, good morning. So for those of you guys that are here on trial, this is an order flow trade. This is not a bot trade. We did hit 82. We've got to come below 82. I won't let this go very far against me, guys. We pinged off VWAP. Kaplan's saying he does not anticipate the Fed will use negative interest rates. We have NASDAQ got up to that 11 area. I still think gold has got to come down. Silver also looks like it wants to flop over, but dollar index is trying to bid. Got to come below 82, guys. We got to 82, but pinged off that VWAP. I don't think that holds. You've got some more support down here at 5. Sellers coming into gold now. Come on, big guy. NASDAQ now can trade up to 19 again and then to 22. I mean, it's going to try. There it is. Oh, went 9 offer. We hit 9 offer. I think we've hit it too many times not to get to first target, but buyers coming back in again on VWAP. They're trying to hold VWAP. Buyers came in again. Fellas, as always, trade them as you see fit. If we get down through VWAP, we're coming to 80.5, which is where my next target, maybe 79. But I just think it's hit too many times not to break. If you guys want ticks, your prerogative. It's not flashed 81.9 offer again. It did a few times.
With a little more than an hour to go to the open bell here in New York, 30 seconds to go, 30 minutes to go to the open of 9. Pushed to the high in the morning of 30 cents at 16.43. That's a move of just shy of 0.5%. U.S. equity markets continue to point to a relatively flat open, consolidating near these
Cheapers.
41.99 and a quarter. The S&P minis, Nasdaq 100 futures now up about 0.1%. We're seeing red still for most of the European trade, but we are off the lowest level.
There it is, 81.9. Oh.
Is down about more than 0.5%, along with the Spanish IBEX. Interest rates here in the U.S. are flat and marginally lower. The U.S. 10-year, after running up yesterday, now 1.859%, is down almost quarter basis points, and the 2 10-year spread holding the gains we saw yesterday for the most part at about 24 basis points in the U.S. 2 10-year spread.
You can get out at 82 if you want a net 5.
Gold futures are up a 10% at 1482 and change.
If you guys want to reduce risk. Not seen 81.8 yet.
Indicated that he would be putting forth the Brexit bill to Parliament on Friday, and it would be a hard deadline at the end of next year for the transition period. It has taken the luster off the gains in the pound we've seen recently. FTSE 100 is down about a 10%. I think sterling is down 1 1/3% on the day. As we look ahead to today's trading session, we do have housing starts and building permits out ahead of us here in about 5 minutes' time.
Housing starts and building permits, not 4-star news, but trade them as you see fit, guys. Does not want to break. I think it will. Stop 83.8. It's 13 ticks.
Just a reminder here, the upcoming data, U.S. building permits expected at 1.42 million. That would be down just shy at 3%. Housing starts expected at 1.35 million, 2% month over month. Following that, we'll give you the Canada October manufacturing sales expected flat at 0.0%.
I don't understand the question, Ron.
Kaplan acknowledging that trade policies.
No, you can you can enter the trade if you want on the bot. Doesn't have to be on the DOM. Is that what you're asking me? I'm not sure I understand the question. Yeah, you could place the trade on the bot. Doesn't have to be on the DOM. Guys, we're just sitting on VWAP. Nick, it's in the member Skype. Go to member Skype. I posted it. The settings.
Again, we're 1 minute from the U.S. housing starts expected at 1.35 million, 2.4%. Building permits expected at 1.42 million, down 2.9%.
Should get it. It's one tick.
More upside risks to the oil price than downside at this time.
I've not seen 81.7 offer. Close, but no cigar, fellas. 7 ticks, best I can do. I still think we can get that. We do have news in 18 seconds.
He's got penciled in no change in rates going forward. 10 seconds to housing starts and building permits.
10 seconds to housing starts and building permits.
Target filled.
Got it.
1.365 million for housing starts, up 3.2%, slightly better than expected.
Better than expected on starts.
2 billion also
Better than expected. There you go, fellas. 16. 16 ticks.
No revisions to the building permits.
Guys, good? We should come down to 80.5. Thank you, fellas. We should make it to 80.5. Silver's also rolling over. Yeah, that's okay, Ford. All right, guys, my gold bots are on. Gold is on. Now, for what it's worth, again, my testing, I tested from 8:30, right? Not 8. This is that setup I just came up with. Guys, this setup, if you guys look at Skype, this setup, anybody take a look at Skype? I mean, I back tested this morning. I mean, fellas, this thing has made $45,000 since October 1st back test. Okay, they're on now. You can move stop if you want real stop to 83.2. That's the real stop. I surely am not letting it go against me. So I'm at break even. Let's see here. NASDAQ has plenty of support down through 07. We might get a bounce. Again, not a bot trade. I'm looking at order flow. $80.5, guys, is next target down. Gold's got 118 net buyers left to get rid of. It should come to 80.5, fellas. By the way, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome.
That's Campbell saying balance sheet future, but would like to be driven by growth in the currency and the economy.
Balance sheet will grow in the future, but he would like it to be driven by growth in the economy. Robert, just go to the moving to the member Skype. It's right there. It's got to be within 4 clicks. I've already added it to the spreadsheet I'm working on. There's a lot of support for gold between 78 and 80. If we get down anywhere near 78, 79, it's a long. I don't think we do, but this is where we should get here, fellas. 80.5. It should get that. So, guys, many of you guys, just so you guys understand, many of you guys ask me, like Robert just did, for settings. I don't give those out in the room for a reason, fellas. Not because I don't want to give them to you. If I didn't want to share what I found, I wouldn't put it in Skype, right? We have trials in here. Not to mention, this video goes to YouTube, and I do a daily video. I'm not giving away what you guys have paid for and what I've worked on, sometimes for hours. I'm not giving it away. So it's not that I am trying to be secretive. I put it in the member area. I mean, in the Skype. And it'll also be in the spreadsheet I'm working on. It's already added to that spreadsheet. Yeah, of course. Absolutely, Ford. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. I think so, and getting better. You know, we've got. I'm just going to turn. We've got. So move your stop to 82.2, fellas. Lock in 3 on the runner. There we go. We should get that target. We broke that support. We should get 80.5. Dana, this could be the slowest trade I've ever been in to go 20 ticks. I mean, this is ridiculous. Dollar index is straight bid. Silver's rolling. U.S. Trade Representative Lighthouser says Phase 1 China trade deal is totally enforceable. Thank you, Izzy.
But as they're acknowledging, outside of the typical purchase from China ag, there are other areas like forest wood products that China has agreed to buy.
I missed by 1 candle on that. I would have taken it, but I don't have my bots on yet, Shahid, on the indices. I don't turn them on until 9:30. Hey, Ron, good morning. There we go, guys. Almost to target. 2 ticks. We got it. Got it, fellas. 36 ticks. We're into some pretty good support we're coming up on. You guys good? Nice way to sound the day. Really, Mark? Nice way to start. All right, fellas. Here's a natural gas trade, guys, on the 5-minute. I have not perfected this. I have not perfected this yet, but we have been using it with a fair degree of consistency. RB is a short as well on the 5-minute. There's RB on the 5-minute. Chris, no, that won't affect it. Not at all. No. Crude, in order to come down, has to come down through 37, and then it'll come to 32. 37 will bring it to 32. RB is also sitting on VWAP. If we get a break below this little tag at 53, it's going to come. See how it held VWAP again? VWAP's a really bad area to trade around, fellas. So I let the bot take the trade. I'll leave it on, even though it's a little bit early. I turn them on about 9:05, Craig. I'll turn mine on just after I leave, or just before I leave for breakfast. Here's the natural gas. This could get a pop right in the open at 9 o'clock. Ford, I'm sorry. And RB is still sitting here. If RB breaks below, guys, this little tag here, this will get your first target. You just got to get away from still holding VWAP. We saw this yesterday. Bounced off VWAP about 5 times.
Target filled.
First target off at natural gas right at 9 o'clock. Trails on. Free trade at this point. Okay? All right. Guys, it is 9 o'clock. I'm going to go quickly take my breakfast break, get some coffee, and here comes RB. It's trying. Crude's turning back. Well, crude's turning up. I'm back up. We're going much higher in crude. NASDAQ looks like it wants to pull back into support. I don't have my indices on. Crude's finding some small sellers. Here is that.
Order filled. Target filled.
First target off on RB on the 5-minute. First target off. First target's hit on gasoline. And the 500 tick is also in a short. Why are my exits off? Came 1 tick from first target. RB has target. Came 1 tick from target, fellas. Quick bounce off 26. Not a big target. I'll let it trade. I'll close this.
Order filled.
Got first target. And I'm going to breakfast, guys. Okay? I'll be back, fellas, momentarily. Natural gas came back, took it at break even. If I had the trail on, it would still be in, but up 220 on natural gas. I went to break even when I left for breakfast. The crude trade took a loss and it's not about long here. It is a long, but it's not. It missed by a candle on the bot. So my crude's on, fellas. Crude is on. RB went long on the bot. We'll see what this gives. All right, guys, long 08 with a first target at 11. First target 11. 8 to 11. First target at 11. This is an order flow trade. First target at 11. I'm off by one tick, I think. Might be 10-7. There it is. Got it. 8 to 11. Don't worry about stops. When I close the trade, it's a stop.
Order submitted.
Stops at break even. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Final target 16.5. My stop might be too tight for that, but 16.5 is where it's going.
Order submitted.
Call it 16. 16. Here is there's RB. RB has not gotten a target yet, but pretty dang close. A few ticks away. Real stop on this, fellas, is 7, which I won't do. I'm not giving them back 4 ticks. There's RB, another winner, chicken dinner. Final target 16, gentlemen. 16. 16. Might get to 17, but I'm not going to screw around for $20. 16.
Target filled.
First target off RB. I think I missed this by a tick as well.
Order filled.
Got it.
Order canceled.
16 hit. 8 handles on the runner. 56 ticks. 2 trades up 640. 2 trades up 640.
Order filled.
You guys good? 2 order flow trades up 640. You guys good? Guys?
Order filled.
Okay. RB's going to second target on the bot. And
Target filled.
on the Uniranko, guys, first target's off. I couldn't move it fast enough. Went long on the Uniranko. 6 handles, first target, filled. Filled. Okay. Everybody is a winner.
Target filled.
I don't know what got target. Oh, both targets hit on RB. RB's done. Second target hit. RB's up 462. Natural gas is up 220. Gold is down 110. NASDAQ on the Uniranko has got first target.
We're monitoring more commentary coming from the Argentine Party Minister.
I didn't turn mine on yet, Dana. I wait till 9, right here, right around 9:35. You know better. 9:35. You turned them on early. Yeah, I wait. We're into a big buy zone in here. Be very careful. We could come all the way back down and test that 07, but it's a big buy zone in here. So if you're short in a live account, watch it. 875 is the swing low. This wants to go back up, fellas, to 16. I've got it as personally off order flow, I would be long with an 8 stop, 7 stop. So careful on this. Careful on this. Okay? This is going to be a loss. Came a few, well, maybe not. Came a few ticks from target. Again, I'm letting the bot trade. Trump tweeting. No, stock market record highs again. Never mind. It's nothing. Let them tweet. Let them tweet. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh, that hit first target. Missed by one tick. Missed by one. There it is. First target off, guys. We got us some settings, fellas. First target off. Kaplan saying trade uncertainty is about more than just China. How about this for a 10-handle move? Boom. 2 trades up 560. Boom. How about them apples? If you guys are here on trial and you're not already impressed, I got nothing for you. RTY is short on the 15 range. Yes, I've already got that, Mark. I have that. I do have that.
Order filled.
Yeah, it's not really. Just came to 8,600. If it loses 8,600, I'll be impressed. All right, guys. I am long in my account. I am long in my account on the Unirenko, which are the settings that I put in the member Skype this morning. This is the member Skype from this morning. Look at RB. Gasoline and crude are just off to Pluto. I'll have that done today or tomorrow, guys, the spreadsheet for y'all. This is so I'm going to leave this on, guys. Whatever happens, happens. But this is my account. So if Russell breaks this little trend line here, guys, it should be good to first target. Just broke that trend line. Should get first target. It's also short on the 500 tick, or should be. Mine didn't fire. I had it off, I think. Come on, Russell. Coming to 92. Get a small bounce somewhere between 94 and 96. But what that high probability NASDAQ 3-minute, guys, is about. You're short with the pound settings I sent you. Okay, David. That high probability trade on the NASDAQ is about ready to fire a short. Gold is just sitting. No, it's not going to short. Never mind, Jim. It's not going to short. Crude is going to short.
Filled.
Crude is short on the 500 tick. I'd like to see the NASDAQ. I mean, it's a long down here, but I really want to see it tag 92. I don't know, Xeon, 80. Whatever the hell the bot put it at. I'm not touching the trade.
Target filled.
There's first target on the Russell. Another winner, chicken dinner. First target on the Russell. Guys, if you set up the chart as I put into member Skype this morning on gold, you guys should be good. Crude's holding some support here 3 times. It's hit. It's got to break that, 55. I mean, fellas, look, here's the reality. Not every trade's going to be a winner, right? Not every trade's a winner. There's just no way to do that. But if you trade across the board, as I have said countless times, the cumulative results, I don't recall a cumulative losing session. Well, trail should be on. I'm not saying it never happened, but I certainly don't recall one. This is that silver trade, fellas, on that 6 range. That's a high probability trade. Let's see if it gets to target. Indices are doing nothing, guys. Absolutely nothing. Look, we're parked on the NASDAQ at VWAP. YM's in better shape above VWAP at 1 standard. ES parked at VWAP. Russell parked at VWAP. We're parked at VWAP. Okay, guys? This market is just piss poor. I'm going to start shutting bots off. Natural gas is up 220 today on one trade. I've shut it off. Not taking any more trades there. Okay. RB. RB is up 462. I'm not taking any more trades there. I'm done. So silver, guys, a couple ticks to first target. Gold is still selling, and the NASDAQ again gave me about 300 bucks. No, I am not, David. I said that yesterday. I back tested silver. Look, into a loss again. Guys, I will let this go to a straight loss. It's going either to target or loss. I don't care which. I mean, this looks like a little... looks like a little bull flag to me. Let's see. First target filled on silver. I do have this, guys, in the spreadsheet that I'm working on now. I put this in the member Skype several days ago. Okay. First target's off. It's a 6 range. Big trade. Meanwhile, I'm sitting in the NASDAQ. Guys, silver is done, up 275 on one trade. I've shut off RB, up 462. That is done. I have shut off natural gas, up 220. That is done. No trades on the ES today. I've shut off Russell, up 115. Currently, gold is down 110 bucks on the 500 tick. The NASDAQ, as far as the room is concerned, the NASDAQ's up 560 bucks. That's done. I am still in my trade on the Unirenko, but the NASDAQ is up 560. That's done. I will take no more trades. And crude is currently down 100 bucks. That may be where that closes today. I mean, it's been a straight trend day. It's just been impossible to get trades. The 34 is trying to turn up, guys. It is turning up. Again, back through 09, I mean, we're getting close to breaking out of this descending trend line. Gold is long, guys, on the 500 tick. This will be the last trade on gold on the 500 tick. So this goes to target. Gold will finish green.